That is the dam wall to stop the water there.
Nadi Kanadi.
Look at this amazing barbecue. Ooh, smells sweet. Hi guys, today is Sunday. We're going off to a lake, Sedd Oued El Maleh. We're gonna do a barbecue there, and yeah, the weather today is very nice, so we want to take advantage of it and go outside a little bit. We have Lloydie here concentrating on driving.
Salam everyone.
And yeah, the place called Sedd Oued El Maleh. بالعربية نمشيو للبراج ديال واد المالح. ايوا احنا غاديين ندربو في الطريق. Alright, I want to show you this place. It's called Sedd Oued El Maleh. This place is calm, open and peaceful. Fresh water, fresh air and wide natural views all around. That is the dam wall to stop the water there. It's beautiful here. It's the kind of spot where you can really relax and disconnect from everything. Here in this rough road.
Zwain driving. Not the driving.
Show you. We found a calm spot by the lake and sit up there. Simple vibes, no rush, just enjoying the moment and the nature. Very cool. So I have here minced meat. I'm gonna put minced meat skewers with some fat. Lloyd already prepared the charcoal here. It's going. I'm gonna try to cut this onion small. I like the onion flavor in the minced meat. Today's menu was outdoor classic, minced meat skewers mixed with fat and sweet peppers, all going straight onto the grill. Gonna put some garlic. At the same time, Lloyd prepared potatoes wrapped in aluminium foil with olive oil and salt and placed them directly in the hot charcoal. We let them cook slowly while the barbecue was going. I'm gonna put some olive oil. This is the hot sauce with spices, barbecue. You want from this, maybe?
What's that?
Mix with this.
Yeah, you can.
I have one tomato. I'm gonna chop one tomato. Smell is weird.
Good. Nadi Kanadi.
Yeah. نادي كمان. حب قلبي نادي كمان. I'm gonna do an operation now. Very important
For
for
who?
Lloyd because Lloyd's very hungry now. The population for food need to eat. I'm thinking about something.
Keep that one aside. Just put it aside. This is your first time coming here for barbecue.
Yes, this is my first time coming here for barbecue. So yeah. Lloyd made this one. Nice job. Okay, تضرب حلقة وين؟ We have our barbecue going here. Smelling amazing. Look at this amazing barbecue. Ooh, smells sweet.
Tell you about my amazing barbecue here. This is a Moroccan style barbecue. Barbecuing with skewers and the sweet chili with the fats and the mincemeat. And yeah, it tastes amazing. Zwin deserves, but it needs to be hot or else it's not so zwin.
And how you find the place, yeah?
It's amazing.
We put in the fat on the bread to not waste it there on the charcoal.
Wow, it's amazing. The pepper gives it a nice sweet taste. The meat's not overcooked. The fat's nice and crispy. زوين. نادي كنادي.
صحتك. We enjoyed everything with Moroccan batbout, fresh and perfect with grilled meat. Simple food but amazing taste, especially in nature like this. It's amazing. I love it. When the barbecue was ready, we took the potatoes out of the charcoal and they were perfectly cooked, soft and full of flavor. We sat down by the lake, eating, relaxing and enjoying the calm freshwater view.
Good.
Moments like this are what make trips like these special. Sedd Oued El Maleh is definitely a spot worth visiting if you love nature, calm and good food. Our vlog come to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you so much, and yeah, bye. See you on the next one.